Staying on the road, race director and founder of running events, Alfred Francis, says he's encouraged by the level of participation ahead of this year's Everyone's a Winner Best Dressed 5K. The event was officially launched on Wednesday.
This speaks to more persons indulging in wellness. And not to mention the fun component and the socialization that I see happening amongst young people between the ages of 20 to 39 who are, participating in the races and how they socialize after.
Francis also disclosed the number of participants already registered for this year's race and is urging more persons to sign up.
Today, 91,658 people registered registrations. The fact is that it's just not enough. So I'm encouraging persons to, one, come to the Everyone's a Winner on Father's Day, and also to take time out on your own agenda.
Proceeds from the event will benefit the Jamaican Society for the Blind.
We are continuously committed to keeping those standards high and to deliver as best as we can so that blind and visually impaired persons may not only appreciate or bear the efforts of our labor, but will also be able to say thank you to those who help to make the society do the work that it does.
The Everyone's a Winner Best Dressed 5K will run off on June 21.